Hello my beautiful crochet friends. Today I'm going to show you how you can crochet these simple and beautiful slippers for yourself at home. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start by tying a knot. I will make 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the 15 chains, we are going to do single crochet through all the chains. So you insert yarn over and pull through 2. Insert yarn over and pull through 2. This is called single crochet. In case if you have difficulty with it, I'm going to put a link to how you can make this single crochet in the description of this video so you can check it out. So at the end of the single crochet, we are going to chain 1 and turn. This time we are going to do like the double single crochet on top of this single crochet that we've made. What we are trying to do is to do the top part of these slippers. Insert under here, yarn over and pull through, then pull through the 2 loops. Come to this next place, insert, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Insert under, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So that's what you keep doing to the end of the row. So after the last loop, you are going to chain 1 and turn. So we are going to start reducing right away to get the triangle shape here. So we'll be reducing from both sides, and what we will do now is insert your crochet hook, yarn over and pull through 1, insert, yarn over and pull through 2. As you can see, we have three loops on the hook. Pull through all to reduce. So you continue making 1 single crochet, and towards the end we will reduce again. So towards the end we have 2 loops left. So insert, yarn over and pull through 1, insert, yarn over and pull through 2. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all. So we have reduced from both sides now. So you chain 1 and turn. So you are going to start inserting your crochet hook from here and not this place, because we have already reduced this one. So we'll start from here to do the double. So you insert, yarn over and pull through 2. Insert, yarn over and pull through 2. So you keep repeating the same thing to the end. After this loop, insert, yarn over and pull through 2. Do not exit to this place because you know we have reduced that place already. So chain 1 and turn. We are still going to reduce. Insert, yarn over and pull through 1, insert, yarn over and pull through 2, hook, pull through all. So you start single crochet to the end, and towards the end you reduce the same thing. At the end, insert, yarn over and pull through 1, insert in the last place, yarn over and pull through 2. We have 3 loops on the hook, pull through all, chain 1 and turn. So you start from here to do the double. That will keep your work going smoothly. So we are trying to get the triangle shape. Repeat the same to the end. At the end, chain 1 and turn. So we are going to reduce again, 1, 2. Then keep making 1 single crochet towards the end. Reduce the same thing, 1, 2, 3 loops on the hook, pull through all, chain 1. Insert from here. Then you are doing the double, you'll be inserting it under the initial single crochet we have done. Chain 1 and turn. Okay, now we have done 4 rows of the double single crochet, and here we have up to 7. So you are going to keep repeating the same thing, reducing 2 by this side, 2 by this side, until you have 7. That means you are going to add 3 more rows of the stitches. Just like we have 4 here, so you are going to add 3 more. Remember to reduce on both sides, 2 here, 2 the other side, when doing the single crochet. But when you are doing the double, you don't need to reduce anything. So I'm going to meet you after you have completed the remaining 3 rows of the double single crochet. So this is the 7th row, and at the end of the day we are going to be left with only 3 loops. So from here we are not going to be reducing anything again. So you can see we have 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1 and turn. 1, 2 and 3. So that's what we'll be left with. Chain 1 and turn. So you're going to keep making this one without reduction. We are going to do 12 more rows without reduction. So please just keep repeating until you have 12 more rows without reduction, which is this part that will pass through the pipe. So I've just finished the 12th row without decrease, that's without reduction. I'm going to cut off my yarn, my knitting thread. Let it be a bit long so that you can use it later. So you slip stitch, I've already cut a tube of 1 inch, which is 3 centimeters, and I'm going to insert it here. So when inserting, you can squeeze it down a bit like this. So after inserting it into the tube like this, we are going to insert it into the insole. If you don't know how to make this insole, I'm going to put a link to a video on how to make this in the description of this video, so please you can check it out if you don't know how to make an insole like this. So I'll just insert it. You have to be patient and pull it through. Okay. So later we're going to put glue here and then tie this on top of these places, just so that we can secure it from the back. So the next thing we are going to do is to knit this other side of the slippers. We are going to attach the knots, the slip knot we just make on the crochet, to the insole. On this left side of the slippers, I started from here. I came to this side and back like this. So after attaching it, make 19 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make up to 19 and we'll attach. So I have 19 chains on my hook now. We are going to attach it to this top part of the slippers. So we keep making one single crochet to this end, then we'll make another 19 chains. So at the end of the loop here, make 19 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make up to 19 and we'll connect it to this side. So after the 19 chain, insert it here, pull through and make one single crochet to attach. So I'm going to start single crochet through all the chains now again. Just keep repeating the same thing to this end here. So at the end of the chain 1, connect it to this place. One again and turn. So this time around we're going to be doing the double. So you insert the hook behind, just like the way we have been doing since, and make your one single crochet. So you're going to keep repeating the double single crochet until you get to this end. So after finishing it, we are going to cut off the yarn. So now that we are through with the insole, as you can see it, we are going to put our glue on it behind and glue it to the sole. So after I've applied the glue on it, on both the insole and the outsole, we are going to let it dry, then we'll come and glue the two together. So now that it has dried, we are going to use heat gun to heat it up because I use chemical glue. So after joining it, this is how it looks. If you like, you can leave your slippers just like this, just the way it is. But I just decided to put something on top, maybe just to beautify it. You can put stones, you can put whatever that you want, that you feel like it will make it a little more beautiful. So I'm going to be attaching this. I got it from the market. I'll be attaching it with glue. So I put a little of something like cotton under so that it will hold, and I'm using super glue to join it. So at the end, this is how the slippers look. So simple and beautiful. So please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and join the family and hit the notification bell so that you get notified of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and God bless you.